what are prepayment penalties? Generally speaking, in residential loans, there's no prepayment penalty to pay off your loan early. However, in commercial, there is. So most commercial loans do have a prepayment penalty. The difference in what you need to know is there's actually many different types of prepayment penalties that exist. Generally speaking, for commercial conventional loans, a prepayment penalty usually follows the term of the fixed rate or the first 5 years, sometimes 3 years. So what you'll see is it'll say on the sheet of paper, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What that really means is for the first year, there's a 5% fee, 4%, 3%, 2%, 1%, and then 0 after 5 years. Or you may see a 3, 2, 1, which is 3% the first year, 2% the second, and 1, then 0. So make sure you're reading the small print on that. Also, SBA loans also have a prepayment penalty. If you're doing the 7A real estate, it has a 3, 2, 1 prepayment penalty. And on SBA has a 10-year prepayment penalty, and that's really determined based on the dollar amount. So it averages about 3%. For the first value down to 0 for the 11th year on an SBA 504 note. There's another type of prepayment penalty called yield maintenance. It's really, the short and sweet explanation is whatever the amount of interest you signed up for the term of the loan, you pay it. It's really the worst prepayment penalty that's out there because you have to pay all the interest on the entire loan. So for example, if there's 3 years left on your loan, you will pay all of that 3 years worth of interest. Now, that's really oversimplified because there's also another factor in variances based on the note. The bottom line is it's complicated. So the biggest thing I want you to take away from this is make sure you understand and ask your banker what a prepayment penalty is, and that you understand the prepayment penalty, and make sure that the prepayment penalty is accurate for what you're trying to accomplish.